Abusua mwakwaba edeba msika trend so ene na mense mero mamfa kopue mu ewo mrahye bedwem Ghana's parliament, the 8th parliament we ehun wansem papa okay say MPP 137, NDC 137 plus one independent candidate formina MP ono no ye na adwe so be ye adwuma de aboa MPP ena MPP benya majority but see am na we ka say Ghana parliament no edane speaker ruling ononyamfo Alban Bagbin say NDC is now the majority over MPP dentia Ghana mra say we MP now parliament now o MPP now o cross carpet eko NDC say o contest we NDC ticket sure wono wo saa MP no wo seat no ye declare no vacant say ebi ni wo nipa bi e ni saa seat no so ana wo NDC nso na wo MPP a ye ne saa na ne ma ekoba ne saa ne say Cynthia Mamle Morrison oye MP edma MPP tesi also okwa independent ana oba suhum sunsun a MP owoso ye frɛ no Kojo Abuafo ono nso also okwa independent ana okwa Amenfi Central NDC MP ono nso okwa independent we fi NDC mkwa independent ana okwa formina nso a formina independent candidate or parliament isi ano ono no se afi wasan ba MPP eninti the minority leader auto forcing a raise concern at the speaker Bagbin on Haruna Idrusu enso e tro koma speaker say na Ghana parliament mranity inti ekoba ne sa e we say NDC be majority ampa speaker tran asem no so say ana omane ruling
proceeded to declare the seat vacant. However, I must emphasize that this ruling made by the previous speaker does not bind other speakers, including myself. It is important to point out that in the present matter before the House, the notice of poll is available at the Electoral Commission on all the 275 constituencies. I have duly taken note of the notice of the poll, and furthermore, no member in making comments to the statement made to the House by the minority leader denies these glaring and notorious facts. And so, what is my role in all this? Honorable members, it is important to point out that the Speaker is called upon by the standing orders of Parliament, particularly Order 18, to inform the House of the occurrence of a vacancy of the seat of a member under Clause 1B to E, G, and H of Article 97 of the Constitution. Accordingly, I proceed to inform the House that by the notification of the polls, the following members of Parliament have by their actions vacated their seats in Parliament. The members are Honorable Peter Yao Kwache Aka, NDC MP for Amenfi Central in the Western Region, now referred to as an independent parliamentary candidate for the same constituency. 2, Honorable Andrew Amwako Asiama, independent member for Fomna constituency in Ashanti region, now referred to as MPP parliamentary candidate for the constituency. 3, Honorable Kojo Asante, MPP MP for Suhum in the Eastern region, now referred to as independent candidate for the same constituency. And finally, Honorable Cynthia Mamle Morrison, MPP MP for Agona West constituency in the Central region, now referred to as independent candidate for the same constituency. These MPs cannot be allowed by law and my good self to continue to pretend to be representing people that they don't believe in and they don't have any loyalty for in this house any longer. The house is accordingly so informed.
Anti speaker ruling no eno na yebo ma wutie ye no na eno akoba no sana che say NDC abaye majority now ato forcing abaye majority leader ana afenyo makin abaye minority leader eno na afenyo makin MPP for say want ase eni ti afenyo makin e the court say court in place injunction just say on fa tabonto near speaker Bagbin ruling no man so na man ruling no enye adwuma na me na we ka say breaking news HSA Supreme Court with 5 members on the judging rule no a judge say just say when nyina aka bu ma ba ko say speaker Bagbin ruling no man ye no what the taboo den atoso na ekoba ne sa ne de MPP fu ni agi papa when ni agi pa me enkotie ne enkohwe emra Supreme Court ema ruling ni wiye eni je eni dewa ba MPP fu mu
Number one.
The founders of our tradition use the courts to do right. And true to it, we are Democrats. We don't believe in violence. We don't believe in mischief and unnecessary political chaos. We came to court believing that the court will do right, and indeed the court has just done that. The rights of those MPs have been reinforced, as well as the rights of those constituents who elected them. I will leave the Ghanaian public to peruse the full ruling of the court, and then the discussions can continue. But let me thank my colleagues in leadership, especially the hard-working majority chief whip, for all the support and his industry. I thank senior members of parliament, Uncle Joe Gatti, Honorable Kennedy Japan, not the least Uncle Katie Hammond, and others who have been supporting me. Again, equally important are my colleagues in the backbench, especially those who lost their primaries. They've been with us thick and thin. The whole of last night we didn't sleep. We've been working all night. I myself, being a practitioner of our courts, made sure we put together a solid case. And this afternoon we've had justice. Now, those NDC people who are, walking all over the place, proclaiming, if they know.
I was going to say, tie na speaker aka no ne willing na wa man any Supreme Court there no na o keka ne bomu a na speaker tena ase no what tena ase no o move another seat at the court Tuesday say what back to Parliament House obey now introduction of majority leader ato forcing then the minority leader afenyo markings now speaker asem okan yechi no then Supreme Court nso akasa my question is speaker Everton Tuesday obegi assembly den say speaker anti asia now your wadi be a friend constitutional crisis that is say Ghana mrano a shaky pa we say the question is has Supreme Court has power to ban speaker now some wakana na because the forms of government parliament e de won ana jurisdiction so judicial services where then what do one and to be baby say Supreme Court no wo tumi say na speaker aka no wo botugu na wo de one day eye adwuma na Ghana mra nimdiefo ene wo a wote mra se ebeboa ama yate ase me ndi osoro chiame ka na hye no say asem we no enye nsi ye e di mu nkyiremu na be fie chi beba bia no ebebrew e wo show yi so me ba chawo makraw